Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the class. Today we are back in our Arabic class and what we have is Al-Lughat al-Arabiyya. So our Madda is Lughat al-Arabiyya, that is our subject. Al-Mawdu, which is the topic for today, Afrad al-Usrati, the individuals in the family, or basically the members of the family. So each member of the family is a fard, which means it's an individual. So when they come together, that is the family unit. You understand? So the family unit is the usra, and then the members of the family are the afrad al-usra. You understand? So afrad al-usrati, the members of the family. So we start off by saying ad-dars al-sadis, which basically means this is our sixth installment in this series of what? Arabic for beginners. So this is, as I say, the sixth lesson, and then we'll be explaining. But first, we'll have to put in the marks. We'll put in the marks, and then afterwards, we'll read and then thoroughly explain it. It's a very short lesson, but it is jam-packed with some concrete information that will help you learn Arabic. So let's get into it. So now, what we have is what Tashkil al-Nas. Tashkil al-Nas meaning basically we are going to put in the marks. We are going to put in the Fatha, the Kasra, the Dhamma, and everything else that is necessary for us to be able to easily read the text. So we'll start here. That's cool. So this is it. Now what we do is we will read it and then later on explain. But first off, you can move on before I even read. You can pause it and try reading it entirely by yourself. And then you can continue to see how it goes with my reading. Now, تسكن أسرة سامبا في طيبة ياسين. تسكن أسرة سامبا في طيبة ياسين. إنها أسرة صغيرة. إنها أسرة صغيرة تتكون من والد سامبا. تتكون من والد سامبا. تتكون من والد سامبا سين. وأمه زينب وأخيه منير وأخته نفيسة. So one more time. تسكن أسرة سامبا في طيبة ياسين. إنها أسرة صغيرة تتكون من والد سامبا سين وأمه زينب وأخيه منير وأخته نفيسة صلى الله عليه وسلم. So we'll pause here as there's the call to prayer, and then we'll continue later on. As-salam for now. So now we can continue. تسكن أسرة سامبا في طيبة ياسين. That is the first sentence. It's a complete sentence and it makes full sense. Taskunu. Taskunu means she lives or it lives. You understand? So, or you live. It could depend on how you are using it. So if I tell you Taskunu fi Accra, meaning you live in Accra. You that I'm speaking to, you live in Accra. But the same Taskunu can apply to the what? To the third person feminine. You understand? Which is also singular. So I could say Taskunu Khadijatu, or Taskunu Khadijatu fi Accra. Khadija lives in Accra. Same way. If I say Taskunu you, I would say Taskunu for Khadija. So Taskunu Usra to Samba. In this case, we are using Usra as our words, as our subject. So Usra to Samba. Usra to Samba is the subject here. So So meaning it is Samba's family. Usratu means family, Usratu family. So Usratu Samba, Samba's family, Taskunu lives in Taibati Yasin. So fi here is the word for in. So Taskunu Usratu Samba. Samba's family lives fi in Taibati Yasin. In Taiba Yasin. Taiba Yasin is one city or is one small community in Kaulach. Do you understand? And that is where originally Sheikh Ibrahim Niasse comes from. And as you know, I'm a proud adherent of the Tijani Faida. So don't miss any chance to include the birthplace of our beloved Sheikh anywhere in my lessons. So that's it. Taskunu Usratu Samba fi Taibati Yasin. So Samba's family lives in Taibati Yasin, which is the origin of Sheikh Ibrahim Niasse. So Innaha Usratun Saghiratun. Innaha, it is verily, or it is surely Usratun Saghiratun, a small family. So still we are talking about Samba's family. We are saying Samba's family is not big. It's not a big family. It is what? It is small. If you remember our previous lesson, our past lesson, we had this place where we said Shajaratun Kabiratun, big tree. And then here we have something similar but on the opposite side of the spectrum, which is Usratun Sagiratun. So Usratun Sagiratun means a small family. Usratun Kabiratun will be the opposite, which will be what? Big family. So that's the huge or the extended family. And this is Usratun Sagiratun. This is a nuclear family. It's a small one. So it's basically consisting of who and who. We are now going to learn about that. So it goes on to say, Tatakewanu min wali Samba. So the family Tatakewanu, it consists of, or it comprises. So now we're going to talk about the people who are in the family. So the family consists of min wali Samba, of Samba's father. So Samba's father is the first member of the family who is mentioned in the text apart from Samba. So now we are saying to Samba, the family is made up of Samba's father. And what is his name? They mention it here. Sine. You can see they write it here, Sine. But we mention it as Sine. So Sine is Samba's father, and that is his name. And then we have wa ummihi Zainab. And then we also have who? Samba's mother. And his mother, Zainab. Zainab is who? Samba's mom. Then we have the next person who is what? Wa akhihi Munirin. And then we also have Munir. So Munir is also a member of the family. So as a part of the family, he is what? Akhihi. He is Samba's brother. And then wa ukhtihi Nafisata. And then we have Samba's sister who is called Nafisata. So these are the members of Samba's family. First we have Samba's father who is what? Sine. Then we have Samba's mom who is what? Zainab. We have Samba himself. And then we have Samba's brother who is Munir. And finally Samba's sister who is what? Nafisa. So these are the what? The members of Samba's family. And in total the family unit is made up of what? 5 people. So definitely we can see it's not a huge family, not a big one, but a what? Nuclear family, a small one, and it comprises of what? These people, or it comprises these people. So that is our lesson for today. It is basically very short, but as I said, it is packed with information that you what? Find very key to your growth and development in understanding and fluently speaking the Arabic language. So if you have any questions, you can put them down below in the comment section. Today is quite a short day. I'm shooting on a Friday, so I'll see you another time. Ma